Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to link GitHub to Claude AI. So first, open Claude AI and sign into your account. Next, click your profile at the bottom left corner. Then go to Settings.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Now, once you're on Settings, scroll down and look for Connectors and click on that. So once you're here, look for GitHub integration and click Connect beside it. You'll then redirected to GitHub to log in and authorize access. So you can put in your username or email address, then add your password, then just click sign in. Or you can also continue with Google or you can continue with your Apple account. Then just approve it to allow GitHub to connect to Claude. And that's basically it. So once done, Claude can now read your actual code base. So if this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Claude AI tutorials. See you in the next one.